In this video, I will show you how to fix the frozen screen on your Samsung Galaxy A52. This is variety stick and let's find out. Now the Samsung Galaxy A52, as many cell phones these days, it doesn't have removable battery, or in other words, it's hard to remove the battery because the back of the phone sealed with the battery and it's going to be a little bit pain in the butt to remove the battery, or you may end up breaking the phone if you're trying to attempt to do this. In this video we want you to avoid to do this, and we want you to fix the frozen screen or the blank screen so easily. Just follow my steps. Now if you have the glitch or the blank screen, all you have to do, power and volume down together, and you have to hold around 7 to 10 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead, hold both keys till the phone shuts off or restart. There you go. Now when it's vibrate, means the phone restarted, and you're gonna see a Samsung logo. That means the phone restarted, and after the restart you should have no problems and your phone should be back work as normal. Now if that doesn't work, means you have maybe other hardware issue, you need to make more investigation. And I wish this video helpful video for you. If it did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't. I will talk to you in the next video.